You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all and erase this confusion around how to pronounce this name. Alright, we're going to look at the British English pronunciation and how it's pronounced in the US, because it's a city in England, but it is also a city in New Hampshire in the United States, and also another city in Virginia, United States. So British English pronunciation, the way it's pronounced in the UK, Portsmouth. Okay, port, and then Smith. Yes, pretty much like Smith, S-M-I-T-H. I know it looks like from the spelling it should be pronounced Portsmouth, which would make sense. It's the mouth of the port, but no, Portsmouth. Now in the US, New Hampshire or Virginia, Portsmouth. Similarly, Portsmouth, American English pronunciation, or Portsmouth, British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.